Ho, 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 ho. Hey. Ho, 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 ho. Hey, hey, Lord. Many times I have to fall on my knees and pray, so that I may overcome obstacles in my way. My people been robbed and killed for material things. Yes, brainwashing and plagiarizing is their forte. But I read the book, the holy book, and abide by rule well, and stay away from drugs and guns and live my life cool. I am not gonna fight them war for no territory. The only thing I'm fighting for is to rule my destiny. The silver and gold will vanish away, but the knowledge of God is forever to stay. Just send I as a messenger, so hear what I say. Trust in God is the only way. You're rich or you poor, you can be gone any day. Just send I as a messenger, so hear what I say. Lord. Ho, 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 ho. Hey. Ho, 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 ho. Yes. Now this situation is getting so sticky, so sticky. The last time I made a check, I was paying your salary. So technically that makes you my employee. Still you make up all these rules and never ever consult me. Indiscipline and disrespect will surely lead you astray. One thing you can't forget, someday you will pay. My goals were sabotaged just to increase your share. Good God, but I'm never turning back. Salvation is near, and silver and gold will vanish away, but the knowledge of God is forever to stay. Send me as a messenger, so hear what I say. Hear what I say. Trust in God is the only way. You rich or you poor, you can be gone any day. Just send me as a messenger, so hear what I say. Hey, Lord, oh, oh, hey, Lord, oh, hey, hey. Silver and gold will vanish away, but the good education can never decay. Just say they as a messenger, so hear what I say. Hear what I say. Trust in God is the only way. You rich or you poor, you can be gone any day. Just say they as a messenger, so hear what I say.